Hello, today I'm going to be sharing with you all my assignments from this semester in LTDE 5330. I'm going to be sharing those assignments via my professional portfolio. This is just a little bit about me, as well as my educational philosophy that I'd like to share with others. Moving on to the contents from this semester. Assignments. The first one is going to be the self-assessment. This was my snapshot report from the Myers-Briggs personality test. We also had a assignment that we talked about our multiple intelligence and learning styles. I feel like this one is a little bit more accurate when I think about myself, about my interpersonal intelligence, how I interact with others. I am a more intuitive person. I've always kind of worked in capacity with closely with other people, and it says that I'm more introverted than extroverted, which I totally agree. Moving on to the personal reflection assignment. This assignment, we talked about again how we see ourselves, how we work with other people. I talked about how currently I am an education coach for early childhood and pre-K teachers. I tend to be very reserved when I first enter a situation. I'm not a huge talker. I'm an observer more than anything. This talks as well about my teaching and learning styles. I like to think and analyze situations. I'm also a visual and tactile learner. I could watch it, but I do gather more from hands-on experiences with when learning new things. So that was that assignment. The next assignment that I'm going to share is my innovative professional development tool. I chose professional development, and that was just a link to my Learning for Justice tool. You could click it and view it as well. And then the last assignment that I'm going to share is my collegial coaching reflection. So I did enjoy writing the reflection paper because it was a summary of everything that we've done this semester with the coaching cycle. Since this is what I do daily, it was great to be able to capture that and chronicle that into an assignment, showing the work that I do with my teachers. And so this kind of concludes my show and tell assignment for the semester. It's been a wonderful learning process, and I'm grateful that I had it. Thank you for taking the time to watch.